guys, Chris Blazak here, Agent Investor Pro, at my latest listing in Salem, Massachusetts, 13 Osborne Hill Drive at Strongwater Crossing. This is a 2,100 square foot, 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage home that was built in 2014. Sellers are relocating. They've lived in it 5 years, so this is a resale. Beautiful house. They actually did a customization to the 4th bedroom and turned it into an office space. Very easily could put up a wall and a door and gain back that 4th bedroom. It also has a huge attic space as well. Potentially build that out for some more square living space. Unfinished basement adds about 1,000 square foot to that as well. I'm going to flip this camera around here so you can get a little bit better look, and we'll take a walk through the property. And so this is a great neighborhood. Just give you a little pan view here of what some of the similar houses look like. Really nice. For the most part, it's all brand new, very quiet. Whenever I'm over in this area, there's really not a lot of traffic that goes by. It's very quiet. You're in a great location. You're close to Highland Ave Plaza, which is 2 minutes away in car. And you're also near Vinton Square, Whole Foods Market, Trader Joe's, all your staples. Very cool, close to Swampscott as well. There's cars in there if you packed them in, probably 4 comfortable. And here's your sidewalk. We've got a nice granite step, some brickwork, and this is all AZEK and Trex decking coming in, so it's kind of maintenance free. Just hit it off with the... And so main entrance of the house here, your staircase up, bedroom area, and this is your main living area. A nice sitting room over here. Good size. We're going to do some floor plans. We'll put them to the public so everyone can get those. Hardwood floors. Really high ceilings. I have not measured them. They easily must be 9 feet is my guess. See if we can get a measurement on that. I'll put it in the description. Open concept. Here's your formal dining room. I like how the sellers took the time to put in these picture frame accents, chair rail. Really nice. This is a really sunny house too. And so right off your formal dining room is your kitchen. Kitchen island. Some bar stools there. Eat-in kitchen as well, which is great. Half bath off the kitchen. I'll just kind of pan back here. This is where we came in to the front just a moment ago. And we'll have a 3D video tour up as well. I just wanted to make this video kind of describe the lay of the land here. Now we did get some snow the other night. And really cool backyard, very private. I'm gonna go out there because it's a little chilly, but you've got this beautiful ledge over here and a big old deck. And you can see down there's a nice little fire pit and a beautiful paver patio down there as well. And then some side yard as well over here. Very pretty, tranquil. You got your gas range. Big refrigerator. Granite kitchen countertops. They did a really cool job with the backsplash too. Looks really nice. Okay. And we've got your family room, gas fireplace. Yeah, nice and bright. Good size house. Step back here. So real open, true open concept main living area, which is really cool. It's a big property. A lot of nice details as well. And we can shoot right over to the other side of the house where we started. We'll head down to the basement, give you an idea of space down there. I could easily finish it off, and I think you could pick up maybe 900, maybe 1,000 square feet. Okay. So this house does have an irrigation system. That's why you see your two water meters here, which is great. And it's heat by forced hot air gas. So the systems are relatively new because the house was just built in 2014, 2015. I think it was built in 2014. Sellers moved in 15. So I've been here for 5 years. Big water tank as well. Yeah, so you could easily, and these are high ceilings too. These are definitely 8 feet for sure. They have a lot of stuff down here. So we'll head back to the main house and your garage over here as well. Cars are in there, so 2-car garage. Good size, very good size. And your electric panel. This is a 200 amp service. Yep. And plenty of extra space on the panel. And your Rainbird for your irrigation system. There was one other thing I forgot to point out as well, and it's tough to get an idea of it in the winter. They've got 3 or 4 really nice birch trees, and let's see if I can zoom into these here. Yeah. So these bloom out and give a lot of privacy, and sellers tell me that they're really, really pretty. Okay. Coat closet when you come in, that main hallway. And actually have 2 more as well on each side of the front door. Very cool. And we'll head upstairs to bedrooms. And so this is what I was explaining earlier. They modified the floor plan here. And this could easily be a 4th bedroom by adding in a wall and a door. They've got it set up for a home office, which is really cool space, actually. Try to get a better view on that. And the Zillow 3D tour that we'll put on will get you a better idea as well of the space with the floor plan. Okay, and here's the master ensuite. It's a big bedroom. Big bed. Got 4 windows up here. Gonna go back to this corner. They have a really, really cool custom closet too. Walk-in. And your master bath. So take a look at that. Very nice, all custom built closet. And the bedrooms have brand new carpet as well. Really, really pretty closet space. And your master, double sink, linen closet, shower, commode. Over here. And your second full bath. Single sink, toilet, shower with tub. And this is your guest bedroom. And kitty's chilling out. A lot of bright, sunny rooms in this house. Really, really nice. Great feel and vibe to it. maybe you can see that deck. We did get some snow. So, I mean, it's a big deck. You could easily fit 15, 20 people up there. Your little patio down there as well. It's a great little spot to entertain. Quiet. And this will be your third bedroom here. Closet. I'd say that this room's about 14 by 12. Good size room. Again, we'll put the floor plans out there. And this is the extra bonus space I was talking about in the attic. It's enormous up here. Really, I mean, we'll do a plan for it. But gosh, I mean, it's got to be... Oh man. This is a good 30 feet. So you could, kids' room or a game room or something up here. You could probably squeeze 2 more bedrooms up here, really, with an office area up here as well. Very cool property. Well, there you have it. 13 Osborne Hill Drive in Salem, Strongwater Crossing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you on the next one.